of us making memories. Our only hope is to forget and keep that passage closed for centuries. 'Cause I can take it anymore. Forgetting what I'm fighting for. And your words just stop, don't hold me back. Don't hold me back. Just let me go, just let me go. I need to get it off my mind before it devours all my energy. So hard to leave it all behind. I write my pen down in a melody, melody. My heart is just another melody. So before I get over you, I'm gonna sing it now. Here's another melody. You can't keep holding on to your past. Yeah. Get out, get under, and just relax. And that's what my friends are telling me. I wish it was easy, but it's not easy.
Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to the KULTURED. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. I know it was very short and simple, but it was very realistic. A typical Saturday for me looked just like what you saw. I spend the majority of my Saturdays editing and planning for the week ahead, and so if you like videos like this, then I need you to do something for me. I need you to hit that like button, subscribe, and also make sure that you click the bell so you get notified every single time that I post on this channel. And I will be seeing you guys real soon. Thank you. Bye, y'all.